Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Nissan Pathfinder headlight. First, ensure your vehicle is off and cool. You'll need a few basic tools like a screwdriver and, of course, your new headlight bulb. Locate the back of the headlight assembly, usually accessible from under the hood. There might be a plastic cover or splash guard to remove first. Then, gently disconnect the electrical connector from the bulb. Once the connector is off, you'll typically find the bulb secured by a twist lock mechanism. Turn the bulb's base counterclockwise, usually about 1/4 of a turn until it feels loose. Then, carefully pull the old bulb straight out of its housing. Remember, when handling the new bulb, always hold it by its plastic or metal base. Oils from your skin can significantly shorten the bulb's lifespan.
Hey everyone, quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more useful guides. And on another note, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, these leak-proof containers are fantastic for keeping your food fresh and organized. They're super durable and perfect for busy schedules. You can find the link to these and other great deals in the video description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Now take your new bulb and carefully insert it into the headlight housing. Make sure the tabs on the bulb's base align with the slots in the housing. Once it's seated properly, twist the bulb clockwise until it locks securely. You should feel it click into position. Finally, push the electrical connector back onto the bulb's terminals until it's fully seated and secure. Before you put everything back together, it's a good idea to test the new headlight. Turn on your vehicle and switch on the headlights to ensure the new bulb illuminates properly. Check that the beam pattern looks correct. If everything is working, you can now reassemble any covers, splash guards, or other components you removed earlier. Make sure all parts are securely fastened.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.